Hi guys, so what I've got for you today is a protein-rich sprout salad which you can just prepare in 10 minutes. So for this we have to chop vegetables of our choice. I have used cucumber, onions, tomatoes, grated carrot and coriander, but you are free to add any other vegetables that you like. So we will take the soaked moong dal sprouts in a large mixing bowl or vessel. To this we are going to add all the chopped vegetables. Next we will add salt according to our taste, and you can also add a roasted and ground spice mix which you can make out of cumin seeds, coriander seeds and dried red chilies. And lastly finish it off with few drops of lemon juice on top. Your healthy and tasty sprout salad is ready. Well, you can enjoy it as an evening snack or even after a workout session. Bye, see you in the next video.